Hello everybody, this will be a quick price update for March the 23rd on this Wednesday morning. This will be a price update for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now I am on the Bitcoin chart on the 12-minute time frame and just looking at local levels to trade off of. Right now we are currently getting a bounce off from this golden pocket and 0.5 fib level at around 42,435. I don't think this is too strong of a pullback because I don't really see too many strong divergences, but it may pull back a little bit. Just doing a local support to that pullback possibility. We could see it possibly pull back to 42,000 roughly, give or take. I would like to see like 3-minute bullish divergences based off of that move. But anyways, just coming up higher, we do have more resistances at 42,662. This shouldn't be too strong of a resistance. The resistance I'm really more worried about is this point of control in 786, which is coming around 42,882 roughly. And then also, if we do break above that, we do have this local wick from here from about 2 days ago, coming at around 43,453. If not, if we do break this micro support and come down lower, I do expect us to come down to 41,612. If we do break above that, however, we also have this point of control from this long range right here, along with a 786, coming around at 41,111. Going up to higher time frames and just see what's going on. Really, we don't have much support below us, really. Just this daily at 39,000. Going a little bit lower on a higher time frame, we do have wicks at around 37,000. We still have the 786 that we got to tap at around 36,624. And then we do have this trend line that has been marking out our bullish higher highs trend structure, coming at around 35,556, along with a naked daily point of control and a few daily levels as support. So that could make for a very strong support. If we do end up breaking above this wick, there's also a local 786 coming around 43,610, along with a 0.88 fib level at around 44,450, along with confluence and a daily, along with this trend line that had 2 touches. So we could make possibly a lower high, possibly, and this come back down and retest this. But if we do break above that, I expect us to come up to 46,240. And so that is pretty much it for the levels. Just going to the daily time frame, we do have a strong money flow crossover, so this might be more momentum to the upside. 12-minute, we are getting a 12-minute red dot. However, it won't be as strong as a pullback because that money flow is coming up pretty strong, it looks like. 2-day, we do have the RSI split far apart, showing to be a overbought conditions, and so we might get a minor pullback within the next day or so. The 3-day, we do get that money flow coming up. This could provide a pretty good pump up. Really, the last time we do have good money flow crossovers on the 3-day, we do get a pretty strong candle upwards. Weekly, that did reset. The money flow is resetting into the positive. We'll see if it maintains that, but it looks like it has been getting thicker over time, which is a good sign. Still no green dot on the 2-week time frame. I do expect that to play out pretty anytime soon, especially if we break above 45,000 to 46,000. That is a major resistance, and I expect alts to really follow. And so that is pretty much it for Bitcoin. Ethereum really just depends on whatever Bitcoin is doing. We do have a local resistance at 2,982. This is a golden pocket along with a previous week value area high. I've been trading in this sideways range in which I drew a volume area range profile from. And this could be a micro range just to trade for now. Also coming down lower, we do have these golden pockets and a 786 along with a point of control at around 2900, 2908 roughly. This could make for a nice long. If not, we can come lower down to the weekly open. Could get a bounce off of that at around 2858. If not, a major support that I'm looking at is this previous week point of control and this trend line. We could retest it again. As you can see in the past, it was acting as resistance. It finally broke through that, retested it, and now we are getting a rejection off of a local resistance. We could come down, retest this again, and then make a move up, but really depends on whatever Bitcoin is doing. Going down to the 24-minute time frame, we do have this wick from this large move up a few days ago, coming at around 33,555. Also, just coming down lower. That's pretty much it for price analysis. Let's look at market cipher. We do have that green dot or red dot forming on the 12-minute time frame. However, money flow is thick, so it won't be as strong if it pull back. The daily, it's still strong money flow. However, we are getting those RSIs split apart, so there might not be too much of a move coming up in the next day or so. 2-day RSIs are split apart, showing kind of a weak rally that could have happened. 3-day, however, money flow is coming up. I believe once that does cross into the positive, we could get a pretty good move up, but we'll just have to wait and see. Weekly, we are getting that money flow coming back up. The RSIs look to be oversold. 2-week, again, I'm just waiting for whenever Bitcoin does print a green dot on the 2-week time frame. I expect a pretty good move when that happens, as long as we break through strong support. Strong support for Ethereum, again, is at around 3,400. We do have a naked daily point of control up here, along with a point of control from the whole year. If we analyze the year volume that was traded over the past year and a half or so. So that is pretty much it for the analysis. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, I'll leave a link to a free Discord in the description where I post all my trades, along with other crypto-related ideas. Thanks. Bye.